Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my homemade chocolate toffee pie. So let's get started. So this is a quick and easy pie, and this is a 4-ingredient chocolate toffee pie. You'll need one 5.9 ounce of chocolate pudding, an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, some toffee bits, and a 9-inch graham cracker crust. So in my bowl I have 2 cups of milk. So now I'll mix the 2 cups of milk with the pudding. Now that's nice and thick. So that's done. What I'm going to do now is add in this container of Cool Whip. It's 8 ounces. So I'll fold in the Cool Whip into this pudding, and I have a 9-inch graham cracker crust that's already made, or you can make your homemade. So the pudding is nice and thick. Once I fold in this Cool Whip and I put it in my pie shell, I'll sprinkle a little of these English toffee bits on top, and that's why I call it my chocolate toffee pie. So now I'll fold in the Cool Whip. Out of this 8-ounce bag, I put half in my cup, so I have half a cup of the English toffee bits. I'll put that in and then fold it into the chocolate mixture. And I'll add some on top. That looks good, so now I'll place it in my pie shell. Now I'll spread the mixture evenly. Now I'll just sprinkle a little of these toffee bits on top. So I just sprinkled a handful. Now doesn't that look good? So now I'll place this in my fridge to firm up. So into the fridge it goes. It's time to take my chocolate toffee pie out of the fridge. I'll slice into it and try it. Now I'll give it a try. It's good. It's really good with the toffee bits in there. Deserves a second bite. Thumbs up on this one. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make this homemade chocolate toffee pie. Give it a try. It's good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.